One Sunday morning, Jenny was cleaning up her cupboard. She found her old red ribbon which she used to wear when she was a child. Jenny got excited and showed this ribbon to her mother. Her mother was baking her favorite strawberry cake. Her mother also got excited after seeing the ribbon. And they both smiled and remembered Jenny's childhood days. What did Jenny find in the cupboard? A ribbon, a hairband, a dress, a doll. Answer: a ribbon. What was the color of the ribbon? Pink, blue, red, white. Answer: red. What was Jenny's mother doing? Brooming the floor, making the bed, cleaning the room, baking a cake. Answer: baking a cake. Which cake flavor Jenny liked the most? Chocolate, strawberry, pineapple, vanilla. Answer: strawberry. I hope you enjoyed answering these questions after reading the passage. Share this video with your friends.